Jasmine. For you. Okay. And today we declutter my to say this. Oh my gosh, I need to throw this. Look at that. My god. This is from again from Germany. This is oil painting. So I think I need to throw. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, maybe I need to clean. Yeah. Okay. See, still have here. Right, I need to double check my things before I buy. You see, still have here. Wala na, wasting money. Oh, I think this is straw. God, this is true. And then we have here. This is a new one. Can you imagine my table? This is small. And I do painting. Can do painting later. Today is Friday. I just got home 20 minutes. And later guys, I will go out. I will meet my friends. So this is all. And I'm trying to clean this one. I need to clean here. And this, if a little we can throw away. This is the result of our organizing. Yeah. Here. Okay, thank you for watching, and last for you. I love drinking tea and coffee. Okay, I love you all guys. I love you all. And maybe next week I will proceed the last, but not the least, Q&A. So, I will share my painting and Macau t-shirt if you want. Yeah, that's all, and thank you for watching. I love you all.